Good morning. It is Tuesday, the 21st of December, and we're taking a look at cryptocurrencies this morning. We're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Cardano. We're going to start with the higher time frames, drill down to the lower time frames to see what levels we're looking at from a technical perspective. So we'll start with the weekly chart on Bitcoin, which we can see here. We formed the double bottom, and then we had this impulsive move higher, formed a shooting star at the top after rejecting gains up to 69,000, and that we've now formed this band of resistance up here, which has to be overcome for prices to move higher. We drew Fibonacci retracement lines from the swing low to the swing high, and we have broken below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, also got below the 61.8, stalled around about 42,000 before prices reacted to higher on the week of the 29th of November. Since then we've traded sideways really, just either side of the 50,000 level, which will be a big psychological level. Looking at the daily chart, we have this trend line that we've drawn in, which has we've got a shorter term trend line comes in, and that's only got 2 points, so it is a tentative one. We can actually extend it to here and really include all 3 points, and yeah, so we should have support coming in around about the 61.8% fib. That's about 44,000. Prices reacting higher over the last 24 hours, and a little bit more positive after forming a low around about 45,500. We still need to recapture ground really above 52,700 to open up the upside, although we will face resistance from the 50-day moving average coming in at 54,500. So a few levels to watch there on crypto as this corrective phase continues. Now, Ethereum for me has performed better over the past couple of months when compared to Bitcoin. There's a lot of talk about Ethereum's popularity increasing based on the fact that you need Ethereum to buy NFTs, which are obviously in vogue at the moment. However, we did see a similar sort of correction. We're in this corrective channel, almost posting a double top. We haven't really got a clean break of this or a consistent break of this neckline. So really prices below 3,930 is negative. That's where the 50-day moving average comes in around about there as well. We're just trading above it at the moment. Let's get rid of that bearish channel. So we can see the high here and here, the neckline here, and really a break and a close below 3,900 and 4,025 is negative. However, if we manage to capture ground above the 4,025, then the upside opens up again. So we've only seen just over a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement compared to the Bitcoin's 61.8. So that shows how well it's opening up. We've also got a MACD crossover, so maybe tentative signs of this bullish divergence maybe causing a reaction and a move higher. So positive on Ethereum for the week. Ripple, similar sort of price action to Bitcoin really, under a bit more pressure. The high, we didn't form a new all-time high when Bitcoin or Ethereum did. This stalled around about the 142 level, and since then we've formed a lower high, which is negative. So Ripple under a bit of pressure. We have extended past the 78.6% fib. That was a move down to 65 cents. We're trading at the moment back up at 89 cents. And as you can see, this is quite a pivotal level going all the way back historically. Cardano has held at this upward trending support line. This is positive for Cardano. Again, we're seeing prices moving lower, momentum stalling. That indicates bullish divergence, so expecting a reaction higher. However, we are getting still lower highs posted on a daily basis in Cardano, so a little bit nervy. Really, the 120 level is the key area of support. If we do break there, we will be under more pressure all the way down to 92 cents. Really need to capture ground above the 142 to 148 level to stave off this bearish impetus. Hope that's been informative. Thanks for joining me, and speak again soon.